Hi, my name is Ainslea Kipling and I'm a part of the 2021 survey expedition to Kalgoorlie. I chose this project because photogrammetry is becoming an increasingly popular method in the surveying industry. When cameras are calibrated in the field using the images in the survey, this is called in situ calibration. In situ calibration causes the doming effect. Now, the doming effect is when the point cloud bends and domes in the middle and it causes the points to not be in the correct location. The two alternate methods used to calibrate the camera. First one was the calibration frame. We used a calibration cube and two ladders. This had around 50 ground control points, and the drone was walked around the frame at above head height and also flown around 5 meters above the frame. The second method was using 30 ground control points placed around the pump station, and the drone was flown at three heights varying between 75, 85 and 95 meters. It was flown in an orbital way. Comparing these two methods to the in situ calibration, we're able to quantify which method greatly reduces the doming effect. Knowing the most appropriate method of calibration will reduce the number of ground control points needed for the survey, and this reduces time and money needing to be spent.